Upon boot up here, we want to enter F10 for Lifecycle controller. Here we can see we are entering the Lifecycle controller. See if we can get a better footage there. There we go. But here we are. This is great. Initial setup wizard. This is the first time it's ran. So we've got language English, keyboard type United States. I don't have a. Do I have a mouse? Yeah, I do have a mouse hooked up to this. I don't know if it's working. Let's tab through. There we go. We're on the next button. Step 2, product overview. Go ahead and hit next here. Step 3 should be just the default settings here. IP4, network settings, no configuration. Let's see if we can tab through this. There's no configuration on those. Oops. Okay, so we don't have IP version 6 on this switch. So hit the next button. Actually, let's go back so we can actually see the previous screen. So this shows our DHCP values for our iDRAC, which we already knew from the main page. And they had the credentials, so nothing really to see there. Let's hit next. Connectivity status reflecting that it's up, and let's go ahead and hit finish. All right, so now we're actually at the Lifecycle controller page. This is where it would normally boot up after the first time configuration, and in here we can go on in and check our hardware configuration. We can do a hardware inventory. Let's tab over. And here we can either export or at this case we're just going to do a view current inventory. And we can filter by areas of concern, CPU, our DIMM, disk, embedded, AHCI, bridge. Some of this information you also saw in the iDRAC hardware areas. So we'll go ahead and tab out. Center, tab out. Click the back button. Hit the back button again. So I should have just clicked enter. There we go, back. Now the other area, that'll show you your hardware configuration as it is now. But in the event that you need to, let's tab out, do a hardware diagnostics. We're going to go ahead and run hardware diagnostics here. So it's a warning, it's going to take several minutes. We understand that. And this looks like it takes us to the ePSA pre-boot system assessment that we got to earlier when we went to did the F11 no, we did that through the iDRAC, so the iDRAC IP. So same similar hardware diagnostics. Looks like it's running now. Okay, no problem's been found. So right now it wants to know if you want to run a more thorough examination, and we do not. So let's go ahead and select no. All tests passed, okay. It should pull up our results. Actually, it'd probably be down here at the bottom. Mouse would not be active during this time, so we can tab down, tab to the bottom corner, hit enter. Here we'll see all of our green check marks on the page, and some of the data over here. You'll see the results of your tests, configuration, the event log. So right now this is how you get to all of that. Let's go ahead and tab out. Let's see if we can get here. Thorough test mode, advanced options, more. Trying to find the right combination of tabs to get up to the exit button. Let's see here. Okay, well, Control-Delete got me out of that one, so. All right, so that's how you access the Lifecycle controller and run diagnostics. It looks like it's the same diagnostics that you would see in the F11 option of, or excuse me, the same diagnostics you'd see in the initial iDRAC configuration windows. So it goes to the ePSA testing suite there. So let's wrap up this video, and I'll get this on the page. Thanks for watching.